Today in this video I will share onion oil for fast hair growth. I will make onion oil at home. At first, you will need 1 onion and cut in pieces, 1 cup of mustard oil, ½ cup of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Add in blender, and blend it. You have received thick paste. Add in bowl and cook 5 minutes. Strain this mixture, and your oil is ready. Add in glass bottle, and save it for long time. Apply this homemade oil on your scalp. Optimizes the hair growth cycle, prevents breakage and thinning, delays premature graying, maintains pH level of the scalp, fights bacterial infections, can be used as a natural conditioner, improves hair texture. Onion oil is capable of activating certain enzymes on your scalp, which helps optimize the hair growth cycle. This results in faster hair growth and inhibiting hair fall for a healthier looking mane. Leave it full night and wash it with shampoo.